Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here's a quick tip on how to get a plus 12 volt supply for your auxiliary lights or any other kind of accessory. So as you guys might know, this is the accessory port available on your Himalayan, and if you see this wire which is color coded in red and white, this is the wire from which you can get a 12 volt supply with ignition on. So what most of the people are doing, they are kind of inserting the wire directly to this pin and they are getting the plus 12 volt supply. But I think that is not the proper way to do it, because the wire may get loose and there might be some heating and this port may get damaged. So to avoid it, what I have done, I have created this coupler. So this is a male socket which goes directly onto this port like this, and the connection is properly secured. So this is the correct way to do it. So there is no any loose connection, this is properly connected and this will not void any warranty, and the port is also safe, right? Now only question is where to get this coupler, right? So what you can do, you can purchase this OBD2 connector wire from any website. So I have got it from Amazon. You can get it from Amazon or Flipkart, or you can get it from local market, whatever is fine. I have got this from Amazon for around 600 rupees. So I will leave a link in the description for this wire, so you can get it from there if you want, and you can create this coupler. So you can see I have removed all the pins and kept only one which is required for plus 12 volt. It is very easy to remove. You can see this is the kind of pins are there, and there is a latch, there is a plastic latch where you need to press it and you can pull it out. It will come out easily. And I have properly prepared this wire, added the heat shrink so that it is properly secured. Now you can simply connect it like this. It's properly connected. Tuck it here like this. Yeah, so this is the correct way to get the plus 12 volt supply for your accessories, and in my case for auxiliary light. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Hope you liked it and learned something new. If that is the case, please give a thumbs up and follow for more, and see you in the next one.